A housewife unable to bear the torture of husband and mother-in-law filed an FIR at the police station, but the police didn't respond to the case, which is why she was forced to appear in front of media. This incident is from Jarilong area under Telemura police station. Once again, incidents like torture of housewives are in the headlines. A case of domestic violence is not a new thing in our country. A case like this is filed many times in the police station through the police. Repeat. A case like this is filed many times in the police station, though the police did not take any actions. Likewise, a housewife from Jarilong under Telemura police station filed a similar case at Telemura police station. As per sources, it is known that her husband Rajendra Devarma used to beat her with the iron rod. At last, unable to bear the torture of her husband and mother-in-law, she filed a case at Tripura police station, but the police doesn't respond to the case.
জামাইর নাম কি? শাশুড়ির নাম? তার বাড়ি কোনানে?
Finally, having no other option, a housewife is forced to appear in front of the media on Wednesday. Now, what is to be seen is what kind of action the police take against the victim's husband, Rajendra Devarma, and mother-in-law, Bajendra Devarma. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.